Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito na natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong first half ng 2025. So that's January to June. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay. So, let's begin. Aries, what is up? First half ng 2025, what are the energies for you? Pluto. Oh, this is change, transformation. There's also some sort of release. Parang you are letting go of something na sa tingin mo, it's no longer serving you. Can be a toxic situation. You have energy ng Cancer, which is about your feelings, your emotions. This is also your nurturing energy. So, maaring mas aalagaan mo yung sarili mo ngayon. You know, maaring yung iba sa inyo na may mga sacrifices kayo for others para sa ibang tao na parang feeling nyo kumbaga hindi nyo na hindi na siya worth it na ipaglaban or hindi na siya worth it na magsakripisyo ka pa para sa kanila. So, ngayon, isipin mo muna yung sarili mo. You're going to take care of yourself. 7th house, this is relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, Aries, you may be letting go of a relationship. Okay? Kasi it's either letting go of a relationship or starting a new relationship para sa iba sa inyo. Kasi may transformation, may pagbabago. May endings, merong new beginnings. So, syempre, magkakaiba-iba yan ng experience. Dahil hindi naman yan pare-pareho para sa lahat. Kumbaga, yes, may change, may major change, may ending, may new beginning, but for some of you, this can be focused on relationships, business partnerships, ending or pagsisimula. But one thing's for sure, magfo-focus ka sa sarili mo. Aalagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Or maaring meron kang gagawing glow up. Oo, na parang masasabi mo na parang kang pinanganak ulit kasi hindi ka na mare-recognize ng iba dahil may nagbago na sa'yo physically. 'Di ba? Something that will make you feel good about yourself. Ooh, look at that. You have the Tower. The Tower is major change, unexpected change. Ano to eh? The Tower is about isang old ways, no? Pwedeng dating gawain, dating situation na meron ka na kailangan ng mabuwag para ma-let go mo at magsimula ng bago. What else? You have the World. Ooh, this is achievement. Merong major achievements rin sa inyo sa first half ng 2025. Yung iba may mga pag-aaralan kayo or meron kayong ma-acquire na knowledge na pwedeng bumago sa buhay nyo entirely. 'Di ba? Itong knowledge na to, kaalaman na to ay magagamit ninyo para mapaunlad ang sarili niyo, ang buhay niyo na talagang babago sa sitwasyon niyo, like a major shift. You have the Elder of Pentacles, which is financial stability, financial security. Some of you merong ditong leadership role sa trabaho, sa business, if you have a business. You also have the Champion of Cups. So, ito yung energy ng pag-aalaga. Someone who really cares about sa sarili niya and at the same time, yung iba rin tao. But I think you are going to focus more on yourself, on your welfare. You have Apprentice of Swords, so curiosity, learning new things. This is also communication from someone. So, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, if you are single, ngayong first half ng 2025, maaring magkaroon ng romantic connection sa isang tao na meron kayong age gap or maaring this person can be mature, more mature sa'yo. But itong taong darating na to is maalaga, maasikaso. Alam niya kung ano ang iyong mga pangangailangan. Ayan. And then if you are in a relationship, kung may mga naging challenges talaga yung relationship ninyo, maaring magkaroon ng separation. But it doesn't mean na like totoo talaga. It doesn't mean na final na yung separation na yon. Although para sa iba pwedeng final na yon. Para siyang merong major na pagsubok sa relationship ninyo na doon yung mapapatunayan kung talagang matibay yung samahan nyo o hindi. Kasi kung matibay, kaya nyong malagpasan yan. Kung hindi, definitely, may separate ways dyan. Magse-separate yan. Uy, moving on, no? Oh my God. Okay, Aries. Some of you can really be ending a situation, moving to a new direction. There's an ending. Yung iba sa relationship nyo, yung iba this is home life, yung family life ninyo, lilipat ng bahay, okay? Maaring you've had your fair share sa lugar na yan. Example, you're living in a condo, tapos lilipat ka sa residential na yung talagang sa subdivision. Or vice versa, from subdivision, going to live in a condo. So, there's some sort of change in your living condition. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a situation with someone na yung bang parang wala ng respeto sa'yo, no? Ito yung person na talagang very abusive sa'yo, you may be cutting off connections with this person. There is breakup dito may breakup Or magsiset ka na ng boundaries na hindi mo na hayaang abusuhin ka ng taong to. Whether this is a romantic connection or a friendship or connection sa workplace. And meron ditong excitement about your passion. Kumbaga, there's some sort of freedom, may kalayaan, no? Na may experience kayo. And yun yung magbibigay sa inyo ng excitement na, kaya ko nang gawin to. Magagawa ko na to kasi wala na makikialam sa akin. Ganon. O, diba? You are exploring new things. Some of you, travel opportunities, kasi meron din ditong the world card. So, this can be travel opportunities sa ibang bansa. Iba sa inyo, may paggala. You will be going out with your friends, your people, no? Yung mga taong gusto mong nakakasama. Pwedeng family rin. Yung iba, pwedeng may mabibili kayong property elsewhere, kaya merong ritong paglipat ng bahay or ng inyong tinitirahan. Ang nakikita ko rito sa relationship, yung kung meron talagang hindi na maaayos, yung tinatawag nilang irreconcilable differences. So, maaring yun talaga yung main reason kung bakit kayo ay maghihiwalay. Oo. Isipin nyo na lang na itong nangyayari na to, no? So, para doon sa mga pagdadaanan yung ganitong sitwasyon ngayong first half ng January, ng 2025, isipin nyo na lang na kaya yan nangyayari is because piniprepare ka para mapunta ka doon sa destiny mo, doon sa person na talagang para sa'yo or for you to fulfill your life's purpose. Lahat naman na experiences natin, meron yang life's lessons. Leader of the light, where are you being called to serve and support others? Diba? So, may calling. So, some of you are being called to serve others. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong spiritual gifts, leadership roles na i-assume, no, in the next 6 months or the first half of 2025. And then, out of the woods, you've made it through. What newness is coming? See, merong new beginnings. Out of the woods, so nakawala ka na, nakaalis ka na doon sa kaguluhan, sa kalituhan, na parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, walang direction. So, if you are in a toxic situation, a relationship na parang wala nang patutunguhan, magulo, complicated, you are out of the woods. So, in the first 6 months ng 2025, magiging process yan sa'yo of transition, transformation, rebirth. Okay? So, there is something new na nag-emerge. Bagong simula. Which is something that you will be welcoming. No? I think, itong bagong simula na to, around your birthday yan eh. Birthday season ninyo eh. So, that's around later part ng March hanggang April. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.